From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning to everybody out there. I'm student meteorologist Hunter Williams here with your Campus Weather Service forecast, and we're seeing another chilly start here across the Commonwealth. In fact, as we look out over the Arboretum this morning, you can see that temperature coming in at 9 degrees, so still down in the single digits here in State College. Not much of a wind out there, so we're not seeing the drastic feels-like temperatures that we've been experiencing the past couple of days, and I'm certainly happy to say that. But as we take a look at temperatures across the rest of the center area, some very chilly temperatures nonetheless, seeing 0 here in Bellefonte, 3 in Clearfield. Also some people up into the low teens already, so a little bit warmer than we've seen, as we're not below 0 this morning, but nonetheless very, very cold out there. And across the rest of the state, similar story, 15 degrees currently in Philadelphia, 1 in Allentown right now, 3 in Williamsport, and as we push to the north and to the west, we'll see 8 in Bradford, 12 in Franklin, and 17 in Pittsburgh, our warm spot this morning. Now, not too much going on the satellite and radar. You can see a few clouds drifting through, especially here across central and north central Pennsylvania, and really the entire western half of the state. Even a couple of light snow showers moving through the Pittsburgh metro area early on this morning, but no accumulating snow to speak of, at least as of right now, but that will change as we go through the afternoon today. As you can see, by the time we get to around 11:30 this morning, we will see the snow starting to develop here in western Pennsylvania, and as we get closer to the 2:30 hour here, we will see the snow starting to edge into the State College area and the rest of central Pennsylvania here, and the snow continues to move through as we go throughout the afternoon and early evening hours, but should be exiting the eastern parts of the state by the time we get towards midnight tonight. So a rather quick event, but nonetheless we will see the snow move through by the time we get through this afternoon and the early hours of this evening, clearing out a bit once we go overnight tonight. And tomorrow we do see the potential of some more light snow, as some lake effect snow is possible in the wake of the system coming through today. But once again, what you need to know for this system today, the snow showers do develop after noon here across central Pennsylvania. The heavier squalls likely between 3 and 6 p.m. Now keep this in mind if you have a commute home planned for this afternoon, as this will be during the peak hours of that commute home. And low visibility and poor travel conditions, once again, the main threats. 1 to 3 inches are what we're expecting as far as accumulations. Now, nothing too severe, but please just be aware of this for your drive home. Now, as far as what you can expect everywhere across the state, you'll see 1 to 3 inches likely for most of the northern tier of the state and most of the western tier as well. But as we push to the south and to the east, lower amounts of coating to 1 inch likely for the Philadelphia metro area, Allentown, Reading, and towards Harrisburg. So seeing the lighter accumulations there. But once again, that forecast for today, the snow likely, especially this afternoon, we'll see 21 degrees for our high this afternoon. As we go overnight, the snow ending early, likely around midnight, will drop down into the single digits. Once again, very chilly, 2 degrees for our low. And notice those winds, nothing too special, but once we get those temperatures down to the single digits, it doesn't take a whole lot to add to those very dangerous wind chills there. Now, we do have a very important event going on this weekend, of course, at Penn State. We have Thon, and we are tracking a system that will be developing, as you see, this low across parts of the south by Friday, developing and pushing up to the northeast by the time we get into Sunday. Now, this is a very interesting system. We'll have to watch this storm track very closely. Things are still very unclear as of right now, but we'll continue to watch this. As you can see, as things should play out right now, some snow possible across the northern parts of the state, but rain and mix for those of you in the southern parts of the state. Now, of course, this is a very important forecast impacting our Thon here at Penn State, and we'll continue to add to this and update you as we get closer to the event. But please, for right now, be aware that we are watching the system for this weekend and could be impacting Thon. But for Thursday, once again, the chance of snow, a very slim chance of snow compared to what we're seeing today. Those temperatures still in the single digits. We drop below 0 Thursday night, well below 0, towards -6. And for Friday, we see plenty of sun, but still very cold, 11 degrees for that high, dropping below 0 once again Friday night, and Saturday into Sunday. Once again, this is the system I was just talking about, a light snow start on Saturday to a wintry mix by the time we get into Sunday. Now, what you need to know is, regardless of whether the precipitation is snow or rain, there will be precipitation out there. It will be pretty cold with those temperatures in the upper 20s and low to mid 30s, so please bundle up and be sure to stay tuned to the Campus Weather Service for further updates on that. And by the time we get into Monday and Tuesday, more sun into the forecast, but we see those temperatures drop back down into the low and mid-20s. Once again, I'm student meteorologist Hunter Williams here on behalf of the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Have a great day.